I'm sharing my story on what got me into gymming, and yeah, can get started. My elder brother, he used to go to gym. He's quite older than me, so the only reference I had at the time that I could see was his physique. And I remember when I went to UJ at my second year of university, he looked at my physique and my frame. At the time I was skinny, and he told me that I have the right structure, and if I were to go to gym, I'd put on some nice mass and some nice gains. So the next day I went to the University of Johannesburg gym, since I was studying there, and I met a guy by the name of Big D, they call him. He took my weight on the scale and he looked at me with my slim frame, and he told me, I'm gonna try and impersonate him now. He was like, buddy, looking at your physique, I'm not impressed with your weight, but I'm happy with your structure. If you put on some mass, you're gonna go towards the right direction. And those words stuck into my head because he saw the potential in me when I didn't see the potential in myself. After 6 months, it was evident what he was saying was true, because even my friends in university were noticing my gains, and I wasn't, because I used to look at myself in the mirror every day. So, sometimes that's testament in life to show that you may not see how far you've come, but the people around you see how far you've come, because they don't see you every day, and their interactions with you become a reflection of how far you've come in life. So I want you guys to remember that anything is possible in life, and just try out whatever you feel like is necessary in your heart to be great in life.